Tri-State Bobcat in Hudson, Wisconsin. Here we go with the 1987 Bobcat X321 compact excavator. Good hours on the machine. You can see we're at 1,087. We're powered with a Kubota, 15.7 horse diesel engine. You know, easy to access your filters through the back door here. You can see everything nice close up, easy to get to. Nice finish on the machine. This is the original paint. Behind this door we've got our fuel and our battery, and then we've got a toolbox down below here, joystick control. We've also got our front auxiliaries and our boom swing. All in all, real nice running machine. It does offer a high-speed travel button as well. 3483 on the operating weight. This one digs 7 foot 2 inches. We've got it equipped with a nice pin-on bucket here. You know, the previous owner put plenty of grease in the zerks on this machine. We cleaned it yesterday. There's still grease on it. Just a great sign, because when you come look at this machine, you're going to see the boom is nice and tight. Got the hydraulic dozer blade on the front. The tracks are in great condition. The sprockets look good on this machine. And again, paint really nice. 7.9 gallons per minute at the auxiliaries. And we're looking at 9.1 inch shoes on this machine. 7.2 foot dig depth. It's only 3.2 feet wide. So access to limited areas is a breeze. Go ahead and start it up here for you. You know, you can even see the tread plate is in nice shape. Machine is not all beat up, definitely an owner-operator. And again, nice tight boom on it. $1,087 hours. This is a 1998 Bobcat X320 compact excavator. 7.2 foot dig depth. Give us a call. This machine will go out serviced and inspected, ready to work. Tri-State Bobcat, Hudson, Wisconsin. Give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940 on this 1998 Bobcat X320 C-Series excavator. Tri-State Bobcat, exit 4, Hudson, Wisconsin, just east of Minneapolis and St. Paul, Minnesota. West Central Wisconsin. Tri-State Bobcat, give Jeff a call, 715-781-3940. Thank you.